Hello everyone, this is lecture 15 of class 8th of chapter 1 computer networking. In this lecture I am going to explain you about types of network. There are mainly three types of networks. First LAN, MAN and WAN. LAN stands for local area network, MAN stands for metropolitan area network and WAN stands for wide area network. Now firstly we will understand about the LAN. What is LAN? Because it is network, so it is a group of computers connected to each other in a small area. A small area we can say up to 5 to 10 kilometers. Means LAN is generally used for connecting computers up to 5 to 10 kilometers. Such as building, school, means for example if we want to connect computers in a school lab we can use LAN. And if we want to connect computers of a building then we can use LAN. So in this way we can say that LAN is a private network and totally created by the organization for its own purpose. Second one, LAN can be wired or wireless. Means for connecting computers we can use wire method also or wireless method. If we are using the wired method then we can use the twisted pair or coaxial cable, and if we are using the wireless we can use radio signals or radio waves. LAN's speed is very fast due to the short distance, because distance is not very high. That's why the speed is very fast. There are two types of technologies we use in the LAN. First one is the Ethernet technology. In Ethernet technology we use wired method for connecting devices. And in second technology is Wi-Fi technology. Wi-Fi means wireless fidelity, and in Wi-Fi we use radio signals for connecting devices. There are various topologies also for the LAN. Topologies means physical arrangement of nodes in a LAN. Physical arrangement means design of the nodes, in which design we want to keep our nodes. So there are various types of designs of physical arrangements: bus, star, ring, mesh topologies. Now in next lecture we will learn about the network topologies.